Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share Weebly website without publishing. First, log into your account. Once inside, click on the Edit Site button. Now, to share it, on the upper right corner, click on the Preview button. Then, on the top left, click on Share. Then go and copy your share link. Now, you can just go ahead and share it to the people that you want, and they will have an access to your website even though it is not yet published. Now for another option, if you have another layout, for example is like this, what you can do here is to go to settings at the upper ribbon, then under the site address, you can have an access to your site URL. For example, I'm gonna click on it, and since I don't have a domain yet, it will not show. But once you have one, you can easily access it, where you can go and copy it, and then share it to the ones where you want to share it with. And they will also have an access to your site without publishing it. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.